Have you ever noticed him suddenly drifting away, leaving you full of questions and doubt? What if I told you that making him miss you doesn't require playing games, but instead comes from emotional presence and self-confidence? As Steve Jobs once said, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. In love, thriving in your own life is what makes him truly notice you. It's devastating when you care so deeply, yet he seems miles away even when he's right beside you. You find yourself texting, calling, even overthinking every little word, hoping for a sign that he notices you, but nothing changes. Doubt creeps in. You ask yourself quietly, am I too much or perhaps not enough? You're not failing and you're not alone. The truth is, making him truly miss you isn't about games, manipulation, or forcing his attention. It's about creating a meaningful presence in your life, one that he can feel even when you're not there. As Maya Angelou once said, we delight in the beauty of the butterfly, but rarely admit the changes it has gone through to achieve that beauty. Similarly, the power of your absence comes from the growth, joy, and strength you cultivate within yourself. Picture this. You've poured your heart and time into being constantly available, always waiting for his attention, always anticipating his needs. But now, you shift the focus to yourself. You dive into your passions, explore new experiences, laugh freely with friends, and embrace moments of pure joy without him. Slowly, almost imperceptibly, he begins to notice the change. That spark of curiosity lights up in his eyes. That subtle tug in his heart reminds him of what he's missing. And here's the profound truth. You're not ignoring him. You're simply thriving in your own life, radiating confidence and vitality. As Oprah Winfrey once said, the biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. And in love, when you fully live your life, it's impossible for him not to feel your absence and start longing for the real, vibrant you. As he witnesses you flourishing, full of laughter, joy, and independence, something deep awakens within him, a longing that no manipulation or game could ever spark. He doesn't just miss the moments you share. He misses the essence of who you are, vibrant, self-assured, radiant. That feeling grows naturally because emotions, not control, shape true desire. When you prioritize your own growth and happiness, you create a magnetic pull that draws him in without effort. As Richard Branson once said, business opportunities are like buses. There's always another one coming. In love, the principle is similar. When you embrace your own life fully, the connection becomes undeniable, and he begins to recognize the unique, irreplaceable person he truly wants. Stop overanalyzing messages, worrying about timing, or crafting strategies to get his attention. Instead, immerse yourself fully in your life, your passions, your friendships, your dreams. As you focus on your joy and personal growth, something remarkable happens. He begins to feel your absence and miss you naturally, without any pressure or manipulation. And here's the most empowering truth. In this process, you don't just create longing in him. You reclaim your own strength and confidence. As Tony Robbins once said, the only limit to your impact is your imagination and commitment. When you commit to living your life fully, the love you desire becomes a natural reflection of your own fulfillment. If you've ever felt unseen, overlooked, or invisible in love, it's time to change your story. Comment, "I'm ready" below, and take the first step toward making him truly notice and miss you the right way. Remember, as Mel Robbins says, you are one decision away from a completely different life. Today, choose to embrace your worth, your joy, and your power in love.